Get it, Marvel.
他已经来你的碗里抢了，等不了了。
我的手机。
Get your toy. Get your toy.
Is it your birthday? Oh my God, happy birthday!
Yeah, Bubs. Stand. Django!
Oh my gosh!
Don't let me late for the morning briefing.
Oh, sorry. Oh, we're really lucky to have a chief like that. Seriously.
Oh my God, dude.
What is wrong?
I don't worry about keeping them safe. I'll be quiet.别骂了，吃了。
Stop pursing your lips while you poop.
Estoy loco. Estoy loco.
Beep, beep, beep. Oh. Okay.
Mira, ito encima. Ketipa.
I just got a haircut.
The best day of your life, and I'm just gonna let you continue to have it.
My cat wants to bite me. Yep.
Give it back.
Brake, you got your throttle, you got your gear lever, AFR gauge, fan switch, steering wheel, you got all that?
Scratching? Oh, you want to go into the sunroom?
Hi, good night, Gally.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Why did you do that?
Oh no! Oh no!
Bro, he flew like a plastic bag.
Hold on. Hold on. Oh yeah, go for a ride.
What did you do? Holy no!
A squirrel or a coyote? A squirrel or a coyote?
You alright, Mr. Poker?
What happened at the vet today? Were you very sad? Oh, you gonna? Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness!
Go this way with
I hate you so much.
Wait. Okay.
When they're 6 weeks old and they're just super playful, they still that's not what I was expecting. Kobe, she crazy.
Noise you are making right now, sir. Oh, okay.
I did it. Oh my god.
这仨精力太旺盛了。哎呦！
You good boy. You good boy. You good boy.
Ты чё, блядь? Ой, дурак! Блядь!
Yo, you want to see something cool? No? Well, I'm gonna do it anyway.
Hello. Ow! Oh my god!
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! You didn't have to cut me off!
تبارك الذي بيده الملك وهو على كل شيء قدير.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
No, Amber! No! She's eating the ham!
I wonder who got in the trash.
You know. Oh my god. Whoa. Okay. Oh no.
Oh Jesus. Oh,
You wouldn't know, would you? Luna? Hey, excuse me? Luna. Hey, look at me, now.
And we left the dog in the truck. Then I came in to find this.
yeah.
Hey, Blue.
Hey.
Was it good?
I'm not yeah, this is the true story.
He does have tremendous confidence, but he's also faced family.
Pippin, no! Stop it!
What good boys. Oh.
Pero ¿por qué lo haces? Maverick set.
Sweeney.
Oh shit. Oh, what are you doing?
Разбирай. Еще. Разбирай. Разбирай.
Juno. Dracaris.
괜찮아.
슝아.
No! I don't want to die!
A cat in a bag.
Oh my god, bro.
Yeah. You know what? Hell yeah.
Asteroid destroyer, you're trapping solar flare. Get off, solar flare. You can. Oh. Why you so mad? What? A word? Your family, how about that? Yeah!
Stop!
Happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it, say meow.
Sini. Oh my god, bro.
Una cappuccina. Mi 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 mi. È la moglie di
Be 50 plus pounds of fat lord.
That's just real rude.
Why do you have to be inside the coffee? You son of a...
Estoy loco.
Hello everyone. Today I'd like to share a heartwarming story titled, Ben and His Fluffy White Coat. If you enjoy this video, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. And if it's not your thing, feel free to skip it. Thanks so much for being here. Now, let's begin the story. Ben was not an ordinary dog. He was a little ball of joy wrapped in the softest, whitest coat anyone had ever seen. His fur was so fluffy that children in the neighborhood often compared him to a walking snowball or a little cloud that had somehow landed on Earth. Every time Ben went out for a walk, heads would turn and smiles would spread. People couldn't resist reaching out to pat his silky coat, and Ben, with his wagging tail and bright eyes, happily welcomed every bit of attention. But his fluffy coat wasn't just about appearance. It was also about personality. Ben seemed to know he was special, and he carried himself with a playful charm. On chilly mornings, he would roll around in the grass, his fur catching little dew drops that sparkled like diamonds under the sunlight. Children laughed, and neighbors waved at him as if he were a celebrity strolling down the street. Ben adored these moments, for he believed that his fluffy fur was not just for himself, but for everyone's happiness. At home, his owner loved brushing his coat. It was like tending to a precious treasure. Every brush stroke made his fur puffier, until Ben looked like a cotton candy puff ready to float away. Ben would often look into the mirror afterward, tilt his head proudly, and wag his tail as if to say, "Yes, I look perfect." With such a remarkable coat, Ben often found himself in the middle of funny little adventures. One sunny afternoon, Ben chased butterflies across the garden. His fluffy fur bounced with every step, making him look like a bouncing marshmallow. At one point, he rolled over and got his coat tangled with flower petals. When he walked back inside, he looked like a white bouquet of flowers, and his owner couldn't stop laughing. Another time, Ben discovered a pile of autumn leaves. Without hesitation, he leapt into it with pure joy. Leaves flew everywhere, sticking to his fur like decorations. He strutted around proudly, as if he were dressed for a festival. Children nearby clapped and giggled, calling him the fluffy parade dog. Ben soaked in their laughter, wagging his tail with delight. His fluffy coat also brought moments of unexpected fun in the park. Once, a toddler mistook Ben for a giant stuffed animal and gave him a big hug. Instead of moving away, Ben stayed perfectly still, enjoying the warmth of the hug. His soft fur comforted the child so much that the little one refused to let go until their parents gently laughed and carried them away. Through all these adventures, Ben's fluffy coat became more than just fur. It became a source of connection. Strangers who had never spoken before would smile and chat while admiring him. It was as if Ben's fluffy white coat had the magical power to bring people closer together. As time went on, Ben's fluffy white coat became part of his identity, and everyone who knew him felt joy in his presence. His owner often said, Ben isn't just a dog. He's a little piece of happiness wrapped in fur. And it was true. Whether Ben was curled up on the couch like a snowball, racing through the yard like a playful puff of wind, or simply lying by the door waiting for his owner, his fluffy coat always seemed to brighten the atmosphere. Of course, caring for such a coat was not always easy. Sometimes it took hours of brushing, washing, and drying. But those moments became rituals of love between Ben and his owner. While his fur was being brushed, Ben would close his eyes and sigh softly, feeling safe and cherished. His owner, in return, found peace and comfort in these moments, realizing that Ben's fluffy coat wasn't just beautiful. It was a reminder of patience, care, and unconditional love. In the end, Ben's story wasn't just about his appearance. His fluffy white coat was a symbol of joy, innocence, and the simple beauty in everyday life. To everyone who met him, Ben was more than a dog. He was a little fluffy miracle who made the world a brighter place. And as the sun set each evening, Ben would curl up, his white fur glowing faintly under the warm light, reminding everyone around him that happiness can be as simple as a wagging tail and a fluffy coat filled with love. Ben's fluffy white coat in the story is more than just a charming detail. It is a symbol of how joy, warmth, and kindness can radiate from even the simplest things. In real life, we all carry something unique that can brighten the lives of others, just like Ben's coat brought laughter and connection to everyone he met. Modern life often feels rushed, stressful, and filled with noise, but Ben reminds us that happiness can be found in small, ordinary moments. A kind gesture, a smile, or simply being present with loved ones. Just as Ben's owner patiently cared for his coat, we too must nurture the things that matter in our lives, our relationships, our health, and our sense of inner peace. His story teaches us that when we take care of ourselves and embrace what makes us unique, we not only feel more confident, but also share that positivity with the people around us. In today's world, where many are focused on appearances and achievements, Ben shows us that true value lies in love, connection, and joy. By slowing down, appreciating small blessings, and caring for one another, we can bring light into our daily lives, just as Ben did with his fluffy coat.